Okay, so this video is for all of the homeschooling mamas and daddies out there, or the people that still like to educate their kids when they get home from regular school. I actually got this JoyCat classroom magnetic letter kit from the JoyCat store, and I'm about to tell you everything about this because this is so cool. I'm telling you, if you homeschool your kids or just work with your kids educationally once they get home, you have to get this. So first off, it comes with this basically kind of lesson plan. Now you also have this board here, and it's going to be double-sided, and it's magnetic, which is so cool because all of the letters that you see here will be able to stick to that board. Now you're going to have uppercase and lowercase letters. They are foam. You don't have to worry about having sharp edges or even splinters, because I do have one of these kits, but they are wooden and it was just a lot of splinters and a lot of tears. This one is so much better. So you're going to get the capital letters, and like I said, you're also going to get the lowercase letters as well. So not only is it going to come with the uppercase and lowercase letters, it's also going to come, like I showed you, with the whiteboard, and also 3 pens, an eraser, and some of these other like more or less commonly used things like question marks, exclamation points, all of that. So let me show you how I set this board up and how I use it. Now, first off, when you stick the letters on there, they are magnetic. They're not going to fall anywhere. They're going to stay right on the board, which is really good for little hands. So I will just go ahead and write my instructions for the day. So for instance, find all of the uppercase vowels. Now, like I said, they do have vowels on here, but there's uppercase and lowercase. Right now, we are focusing on uppercase letters. The vowels are also easily able to be found by your kids because they are in red. And I don't know if you do this, but I always put a little wow, you did it, great job message. And once you're done, you can see how easily this board erases. Some boards don't erase good to me, but this one does really well. Another way I use it is for my morning board. I don't know if you all do this, but I will say, hey, good morning. Today is blah, blah, blah. In this case, the letter of the day is S. So we're going to work on finding words that begin with S, that make that S sound. I love how it comes in this case, so everything can definitely stay organized and you don't have to have pieces all over your floor. And the best thing about it is once you're ready to put it up, everything fits right here in the carrying case. You just put it in, snap it, and you are good to go. So if you're looking for a way to really, up the ante on what your child is doing, whether you're homeschooling or just doing a little extra work at home, check out the JoyCat store here on Amazon.